You can now create fully edited videos with ChatGPT. Here's how. Open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Video Maker by InVideo AI. To create a full video from scratch, just type in your idea. I'm gonna say, make a YouTube video on the craziest facts about the Philippines. List 7 surprising facts, making it lively and engaging. Use a dynamic female voiceover with a neutral accent. A link to a video will appear in a few seconds with engaging script, background music, subtitles, relevant footage, and even a human-sounding voice. You can also edit and refine your video with simple text commands like switch the voiceover to a female voice with a British accent. For Scene 7, transition to a serene sunrise over the chocolate hills of Bohol. Then adjust the background music to a soothing, traditional Filipino melody. Additionally, you can click on Edit to make any changes. Choose the clip you wish to replace, search for another clip, and swap it. Once you're done, click on Export and download your video. Check the link in my bio and start for free and upgrade to a paid plan for more AI generation and more exports with no watermarks. Easy!